As we can see here, the network scanner auto-detects the subnet. You can scan devices, subnets or multiple subnets. Let's check out the options. The scanner supports hostnames, MAC vendors and port scans. The WMI options are: logged in user, OS query, model, CPU, memory, NIC speed, serial, time, reliability index, custom WMI, and can even get the MAC address of a device via WMI on a remote subnet. These are the available colors: normal, dark and blue. Gather info like lease and reservation details by entering your subnet range and DHCP server address. Mark domain MAC address as blue. SNMP option include description, name, location and uptime as well as remote subnet MAC. Add multiple SNMP community names. To detect switch ports, add your managed SNMP enabled switches here. The switch will test if the MAC table is visible via SNMP when you add it. Scan the workstations for installed software to search on with this option. Add your admin credentials here, or ensure you are running the application as a user that has admin access to the workstations. Schedule the scan here. Let's start the scan. I am hiding the host names for privacy reasons. You can schedule the scan to run every few minutes to gather as much info as possible. When the scan starts, it scans the switch MAC table to match up the device MAC addresses. This scanner gets very useful data, as you will see now. The scanner automatically detects if the user is a domain admin, so no authentication is required. It sorts the devices according to IP address. A TTL of 128 normally means a Microsoft device, and it deducts 1 for every hop. Notice the blue MAC for domain devices and the MAC vendors. It shows the lease details of the IP and DHCP and if it has a reservation. Here we see all the open ports from the collection we scanned. This shows the speed of the connected NIC and the operating system. This shows the model, CPU and installed memory of the device. A very nice feature shows the available memory. Useful for troubleshooting. The time column shows that there is no time server issue on the network. Another useful feature: the Windows reliability rating of the workstation. This is the SNMP description, name and location of a network device. The switch port column shows the switch IP and the port where the device is plugged into. If the port is an uplink port, it means the IP for that switch is not in the list. See the available connection option. Let's choose RDP. If you have Nmap installed, here are some shortcuts to use with it. Add the IP to a watched list. Add the MAC address to the trusted list. Show all the entries of the device reliability history. Notice the previous shutdown. Reliability history is very useful. Start a continuous ping on the IP. Reboot the computer and add to the watch list to see when it's up again. Run GP update or log out a user. The device management window is very informative. It shows various device details, computer shares, and installed software. You get disk, CPU and memory details. You can start, stop or restart services. Filter on error and warning events for the past 24 hours. Or kill that stuck process. Remotely browse the drives. Cut, copy, paste and delete files. I wonder who has Photoshop installed. Found it. Hover over the hostname to see the matches. Click the software button to see the software install counts. Click on a software name to see how many workstations were detected with it. Choose the Easy Scan options for a quick scan. Save or load the scan as XML to filter on later. Export to CSV or as an HTML report. Brought to you by sysadmintools.com. Become a member today.